Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your iPhone can't connect to Bluetooth devices, keeps failing to pair, disconnects randomly, or doesn't detect devices at all, don't worry. This is a very common issue and almost always flexible. In iPhone settings 2026, Bluetooth problems are usually caused by cached connections, network conflicts, software bugs, or device compatibility issues. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on your iPhone in 2026 like a pro. So common Bluetooth problems you may see, like Bluetooth device not showing, connection failed, connects then disconnects, audio cutting out, works on other phones but not iPhone. So first thing, turn Bluetooth off then on. So go to settings, go to Bluetooth, and turn Bluetooth off, wait 10 seconds and turn Bluetooth on again. So this refreshes the Bluetooth radio. Okay, so you can also restart your iPhone. Okay, so power off iPhone, waits 30 seconds and then power it back on. So this clears temporary system glitches. You can also restart the Bluetooth device. So many pairing issues come from the accessory. So power off the Bluetooth device again, wait 30 seconds and power it back on, then try pairing again. So you can also forget the Bluetooth device and repair it again. So go to settings, go to Bluetooth, tap, okay, for example, choose one of these options, tap this symbol next to the device, tap forget this device and confirm, then put the device in pairing mode and select it again from the list. So this fixes corrupted pairings. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.